Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Podcast with Jack. Today, we have a very helpful and practical episode. In this lesson, I will show you the different types of shadowing. I will show you what they look like and how each one works perfectly. You will learn how to do them, when to use them, and how they help your English skills. We will talk about shadowing with no pause, shadowing with a small pause, shadowing with a soft voice, and shadowing with focus on meaning. Each one helps you in a different way. And today, you will understand all of them in simple English.
You do not stop to think about grammar rules. You just feel the music flow. Shadowing is exactly like singing a song in English. Most students learn with their eyes. They read books, they read subtitles, they memorize lists of vocabulary words. But when they try to speak, they get stuck. Their brain knows the words perfectly, but their mouth feels heavy and refuses to move. Why does this happen to you? Because your eyes know English well, but your mouth does not know English at all. Shadowing fixes this big problem completely. It connects your ears directly to your mouth muscles. When you shadow, you become a copycat machine. You hear a sound, and you make the sound. There is no time to translate. There is no time to worry. There is no time to fear. You are forced to speak at natural speed. It creates a bridge between your passive knowledge and your active speaking. Imagine you are learning to dance. You cannot learn to dance by reading a book. You must watch the teacher and move your body. Shadowing is the dance of language. You follow the speaker like a shadow follows a walking person. You stick close to them. If they go fast, you go fast immediately. If they slow down, you slow down immediately. It transforms English from a subject you study into a skill you perform physically. One size does not fit all. Find the style that fits your brain. Now you understand the core concept. But shadowing is not just one single method. There are different flavors of shadowing. Let's explore them in deep detail so you can choose the best one for you.
The first type is called immediate shadowing. This is the most intense version. It feels like a race. As soon as you hear a word, you say it immediately. You are almost speaking at the exact same time as the speaker. You are only milliseconds behind. This forces your brain to work very quickly. It destroys the habit of translating in your head. Because if you translate, you will lose the race. The second type is echo shadowing. This is much calmer and easier. It is like walking behind a friend. You listen to a short phrase, you wait for 1 or 2 seconds, and then you repeat what you just heard. The sound stays in your memory for a moment. We call this the echo chamber of your mind. This is perfect if you are a beginner. It gives you time to process the sounds. It gives you time to feel the pronunciation. The third type is content shadowing. This is for advanced acting practice. Here, you do not just copy the sounds blindly. You listen to a full idea. You understand the emotion behind it. And then you perform it like an actor does.
You can even change the words slightly if you want to. The goal here is to copy the feeling and the melody of the sentence. This helps you sound less like a robot and more like a human being. The fourth type is whisper shadowing. Many students tell me they are shy, or they practice on the bus or in a public library. Whisper shadowing is your secret weapon. You move your mouth fully. You use your tongue and lips correctly, but no sound comes out. You are only pushing air. This creates muscle memory without making noise. You can do this anywhere. You can do this anytime. No one needs to know you are training. Rewire your brain to think in English, not translate. Why should you spend your time doing this? What is the real reward? Let me tell you exactly how this changes you from the inside. First, it breaks the translation wall. This is the biggest pain for English learners. You hear English, you translate it to your language, you think of an answer, you translate back to English. This process is too slow for real conversation. Shadowing forces you to bypass this. Because the audio does not stop, you cannot translate. You must process English as English. Eventually, this becomes your new normal habit. Second, it gives you English ears. Have you ever felt that native speakers talk too fast for you? They don't actually speak too fast. They just connect their words together. They don't say, talk to you later. They say, talk to you later. When you shadow, you are forced to make these connections yourself. Your mouth learns how words blend. And once your mouth can make the sound, your ears can hear the sound. Suddenly, native speakers sound clear to you. Third, it builds your physical stamina. Speaking a new language is physically tiring. Your mouth muscles hurt. Your throat feels dry and tight because you are using muscles you never used before. Shadowing is like going to the gym for your face muscles. If you shadow for 10 minutes every day, your muscles get strong. You can speak for hours without getting tired. Fourth, and most importantly, it creates confidence. Confidence comes from action, not thinking. When you shadow a powerful speaker, you borrow their confidence. You feel what it is like to speak clearly and strongly. For a few minutes a day, you pretend to be fluent, and slowly that pretense becomes your reality. Don't just try. Do it correctly with this step-by-step plan. Now you are ready to start, but be careful. Many students start wrong and quit. I want you to succeed, so follow this simple blueprint carefully.
Step 1. The selection. You must choose the right audio. This is the most critical step. Do not choose audio that is too fast. Do not choose audio that is too hard. If you do, you will feel frustrated. You will feel like a failure. Choose audio that you understand completely. If you understand 80% of the meaning, that is perfect. Podcasts are great. Cartoons are great. News for learners is very good. Step 2. The first listen. Do not speak immediately. Just listen one time. Relax your brain. Understand the topic. Get comfortable with the speaker's voice. Step 3. The blind shadow. Now, play it again and start speaking. Do not look at the text. Do not read subtitles yet. Trust your ears only. If you miss a word, let it go. Do not stop. Keep moving forward like a river. The water does not stop for a rock. You flow around it.
Step 4. The text check. Now you can look at the text script. Read it. Find the words you missed. Ah, that is what he said. Now your brain makes the connection. Step 5. The final performance. Do it one last time. This time, put emotion into it. Don't just speak the words, feel the words. Be the speaker. Consistency is not about being perfect. It is about refusing to stop. All right, my friends, you now have the secret tools in your hands. We have learned the different types. We have practiced the techniques together. We have felt the rhythm of real English speech. But knowledge is only the beginning. Action is where the magic happens. You do not need a classroom to learn English. You do not need a teacher standing next to you. The whole world is your classroom. You can shadow anywhere you go. Do it in your quiet bedroom. Do it in the busy kitchen while you cook. Do it while you are walking in the park. Do it while you are waiting for the bus. Many students make a big mistake. They wait for the perfect time to study English. They say, I will study when I have 1 full hour. But busy people never have a full hour free, so they never start the practice. Do not be like those people. Start with 5 minutes a day. Just 5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes to spare. Then try 10 minutes next week. Then try 15 minutes the week after. This small daily practice changes everything.
It is like drops of water. One drop is nothing special, but millions of drops make an ocean. Be the ocean. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel stupid. Some days your mouth will not move correctly. That is okay. That is normal. That is part of the journey. If you stay consistent every day, you will feel the change happen. Your English will grow stronger naturally. Your fluency will flow like water, and your confidence will stand tall like a mountain. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I am so proud of your effort right now. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are improving, you are growing, and you are moving forward. Remember this feeling, remember this rhythm, and keep shadowing. I'm Jack, and this is English Podcast with Jack. Bye for now.